Hi there, this is Kay and welcome to my channel. So in today's episode, I'm working on a 2017 Chevy Malibu, and this one I'm replacing the water pump on it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. So on this car, the water pump is located right on the passenger side front. If you look down, it's right underneath the intake hose. This is the intake hose. The water pump is right underneath. That's the water pump right there. And this car came in with a noise in the engine. It was making a lot of noise, very loud. And after I did my diagnose, I found out that the water pump was gone. So I had to replace it. So I've got the new water pump, and I'm gonna take the old one out and get a new one in. So this is gonna be a quick job, and it's very simple. So let us do this together. All right, to start off this job, you're gonna have to take the intake box out. And I just took it out. The air box goes right here. So I took the air box out because the motor mount is also gonna come out, and then I'll get a direct access to the water pump. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the motor mount off and the motor mount bracket so I can get access to the water pump. Then we begin the job. Okay. Okay, so I just got the motor mount and the bracket off. So now I got more space and free space to work within. So this is the water pump, like I was saying. This is the water pump, and it has a play inside the pulley. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. You could see the play when I wiggle the pulley. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the belt off and take off the water pump. I got the new one ready. I'll get it ready and put it back in. All right, so I just got the water pump out, and I'm gonna show you something over here. So there is a little bearing inside the water pump, and with time the bearing goes bad. So when they go bad, they start making noise because they're rubbing against each other, and that's how the noise started coming from the motor. So I'm gonna show you right here. I'm gonna regulate a little bit, then you're gonna listen to the noise. It's right here. You hear that noise? I just wiggle it a little bit and it's making a lot of noise. So imagine the belt is driving it, and it's gonna be going so fast, so it's gonna be making a lot of noise. So I've got the new water pump. I'm gonna clean the surface, make it smooth and nice, then I'll install the new water pump. And also I had to take the tensioner pulley out before I could get the access to some 2 bolts on the water pump. So it's very easy and simple. This is a 15mm bolt. So I had to take it out, and the water pump has 5 bolts holding it, 10mm bolts. So let me get a new water pump ready, and I'm gonna install that one. Okay, so now I've got my new water pump, brand new in the box, ready to rock and roll. All right, this is my new water pump. As you can see, looking all shiny and nice, and it came with a new gasket as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it right now. And I already cleaned the surface, looking all nice and new. And I'm gonna take you there real quick. As you can see, it's all cleaned up, looking all shiny, because you don't wanna install the water pump and it will be leaking. So you're gonna have to be careful, clean all the debris and all the dust, the rust, everything. Just clean it so nice. Make sure it's looking smooth and shiny before you install the new water pump. All right, so let's install the water pump. Okay, so as you can see, I just installed the water pump. The new water pump is all installed and very tight. I got a new gasket on it, so we all good. And also I put the tensioner and the pulley back on. So now the next step is I'm gonna have to go ahead and put back the serpentine belt on. Then I'll put the motor mount bracket and the job will be done. I'll just put some coolant and start the car. So this is a work in progress. Stay tuned. Okay, so now the job is done. I put the airbox back on. I put everything back on, and also I put some more coolant in there because some coolant came out when I took the water pump off, so I had to replace the coolant. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start the car, and I'll take you for a test drive. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace. All right, now the car is running and it's very smooth and silent. You can't even hear nothing. Before, it was very loud and the water pump was playing, the pulley was playing, it was wiggling. Now you can't even see nothing. I mean, hear nothing also. So that's it right there. See how it's very smooth? Okay, that's it right there. Yeah. Very smooth and sound. So that's a sign of a good job. And I'm gonna take you for a spin. Make sure everything is good. Check out for any leakages before I hand it over to the owner. So this is a good job done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.